mask mandates. It's not about saving lives. It's about control. The vaccine mandate is about control as well. So here is a living virus in this vaccine that they're going to inject into your body. Not like the flu vaccine, which is a dead virus, to allow your body to build up antibodies to that flu. This is a living virus. And some say, unfounded, I don't know, that it has AI in it, artificial intelligence. The chip, right? The mark. I don't know if it does or it doesn't. But I do know one thing. I ain't taking it. If I die of COVID, I just die of COVID. Right? I'm not taking your vaccine. There are millions of others out there that won't take it either. If you're thinking about taking a vaccine, might as well give up your guns too. Give it all up. Send me your ammo. I'll give you my address. Then you can go give your guns up. Oh. So, people are talking to the sheriffs and stuff and seeing, it's kind of like the 2A sanctuary movement, where they're trying to see what they can do at the county level to stop this mandate, this vaccine. Therein lies the problem, that it's not mandated or facilitated at the county level. It's going to be at the federal level. There is a video out there that talks about the citizens versus the U.S. military. It's kind of a cartoon. I posted it on Facebook. It's interesting. It's interesting because it lays out some very good strategic talking points. Very interesting. If you can find it, look at it. I think it's called, it's probably on YouTube. Definitely want to watch that thing in its entirety. I don't know why my phone's blinking, like going dark and then light and dark, like dark now and then it'll go light here in just a second. See? Anyway, whatever. Get out there and hunt, get out there and fish, try to provide for your families, make sure that you got enough provisions. And, you know, it's amazing while we're going through this madness of 2020. I was talking to a guy earlier today, and he's in a rural part of the Midwest. And he thinks like I do. Good guy. But he's potentially going to lose his business because all this stuff is going to be mandated at the federal level. We're going to be shunned as outcast and a risk to public health. We are going to be deemed a risk to public health for not taking the vaccine. We will not be allowed to travel. We will not be allowed to work. We will not be allowed to get a driver's license. We will not be allowed basically any rights guaranteed to us under the Constitution of the United States, which is life, liberty, and the pursuit of happiness,